very important updates, as well as a boost for one of the airdrop which we do need to talk about, and we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first, Across over here. Across is the provider for all of your swaps on Jumper, on Bungee, on any platform that has also the bridge, for example. And they had announced their new integration with Zora, and they have released, as we see here, be an early bridger and mint an exclusive bridger NFT. As we see it, it is over here, so I will leave you the link down below. It has just come out 20 minutes ago. Make sure to go and mint it. You can do it over on Zora, or Bitrum, on OP, on Ethereum, whichever you want. Let's go, for example, and showcase it to you over here on the Optimism network. You're able to go and mint it, and Across still needs to have an airdrop. So I will leave a link down below. The more you mint, the better it is. As we see here, one is only 0.29 cents. So I would suggest you go for the 11 or the 111. The more possibility you have for this airdrop, the more possibility that you go and support Bridge Across protocol over here, the better it is, and the more possibility for the airdrop you will have to be eligible for, because they still need to have an airdrop, and it is going to be huge. Across is used by Jumper, it's used by many different protocols, so definitely something to go and do right now. Following up, we do have the voting over here on Jupiter Exchange. Now, the voter has finished. This was the voting that we had to do to be eligible for the airdrop. But if you managed to do it, congratulations. And we're gonna go and do the second step now for the airdrop. If you didn't manage to do it, do not worry. The most important thing, as well as voting, which we have done it and we talked about it in a video. If you haven't done it, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on. It is to swap. So make sure you go and do on a day-to-day basis swaps. You see, you can do it with also like $6, whatever you want. Very important. I would suggest you to go and do it at least 10 to 20 swaps a day. I will leave you the link down below. Make sure to go and do all of the swapping directly after or during this video. Do the swaps in and out, as you see over here. 10, 20 swaps. The fees are extremely low on Solana, and that is why we're doing it, and we're gonna have the possibility to do a lot of this. So definitely something important to go and do. Bridge in, bridge out from Jupiter to WEN, to USDC, to USDT, etc. Make sure to do it, and you will be eligible for the Jupiter Season 2 airdrop. Very important. Next up, as well on Solana, we have a announcement for a airdrop, the NX Finance airdrop, which we have been talking about in my channel for quite a while. On September 9th, we have the snapshot, so make sure to go and be part of it right now. As we see over here, you must join or create a team to get your airdrop points. So if you want to join my team, the link it is down below. We are doing really well. Rank number 559 with a total deposit of 500,000 points. And we see here that we also have, because we are always putting in the teamwork, we are doing borrowing, we are doing supply. Here with the team, we have nearly 100,000 in dollars, and we are going towards this 15% team boost mark, which we will reach today or tomorrow. So make sure to join, make sure to get the team boost, make sure to be part of the airdrop, because we see over here, you must join a team to get the airdrop points and to be eligible for this airdrop. Once you join my team, simply go over here to the airdrop page or to the landing page. And what I do, I see here, I have added more liquidity. I now have a total of 5 Solana. You deposit them, you leave them there, and you go and get your points, your daily points, as we see over here. For borrowing and supplying, you get your points, you get your TVL points, you get the team points, and you are good to go. So we have 2 more weeks to go and get the snapshot, to get as many points as we can. August 26th, so from yesterday until September 9, we have a 20% boost, which is going to be amazing for this Solana airdrop. And then we got to have the season 2 start, but make sure to get as many points as we can. Hopefully we will be able to reach over here on the dashboard, potentially rank 100 would be amazing. So if you do, all you gotta do is to simply deposit and stake your Solana, as I've done over here, and you will get points. Of course, if you wish to get more points, as you see over here, you can deposit and you can also borrow. Up to you whether you want to borrow the JLP token with the asset to borrow over here, for example, the Solana, or whichever one you want. It's lending and borrowing, or simply to go and stake them. The same way I did it, simply stake them and you are good to go. You've got a nice APY as well for the net APY on the JLP. So completely up to you. Make sure to do your due diligence, and the easiest one would simply to go and deposit your money right here. Following up, we have the crypto Valy exchange, which they have announced. We have talked about this airdrop for quite a while already back in the days, and this is a testnet situation. So everything that you see over here, it is within the testnet, and it is a very, very nice airdrop. Now we have launched over here, we can launch the testnet, we have more achievements. So they have released the last bit of the achievement that we will get closer to the airdrop release very, very soon. What you gotta do to go and sign up, simply over here on the testnet, we got a server error, but you were able to go and sign up if you do not have it as of right now. The wallet is right here. You can connect the wallet on Sefolia, Arbitrum Sefolia. It is all on a testnet. And then you have the achievements, the affiliate as well over here if you wish to go and have friends. And we are, so I will leave you the link down below. It is gonna be a really, really big airdrop. And now it is the last step, as we see over here, meaning that the TG, it is going to be soon. And all of them goodies are gonna be real soon. So simply go to the link down below. I will leave a link down below so you can go directly to it and get ready. To get the achievements, as we see over here, what do you have to do? Well, you simply have to go to the trading platform, which you will find here, the trading situation, and go and swaps, go and trade, go and open position, go and close position. Super simple to go and do it, as it is one of a super easy and super simple procedures to go and do. No problems, link will be down below. Make sure to go and do it. This is the website. Once you go and log in, as we see over here, then you can launch the testnet. If you click over to the website over here, you will have the simplified trading with the testnet, etc., or your professional dashboard if you do wish to go and sign up as well. So definitely something really nice to keep in mind. Let me know, link will be down below. Following up, we do have Notepay. Now, what is Notepay? Well, as we see over here, I have already done my account, and I will leave you a link down below as well, my account situation. It is over on the Solana ecosystem. Now, so what do we mean by it? Well, as we see over here, we have a Grass Airdrop 2.0, let's say it like that. So I got 142 people already within my community, so make sure to go and grab it. We got the earnings of today, just like the Grass Airdrop, and it is a very simple airdrop. You get points, you get a streak, you make sure to get points, and you're simply going here. We got the referral program. If you wish to support me, thank you very much. You get points as well as I do. We got missions as well on a day-to-day missions to go and get more points. We got transaction, dashboard, etc. So this is like a Grass Season 2 Part 2 airdrop, or a secondary airdrop for Grass, which could potentially also do very well. It is super easy to go and join. I will leave the link down below, but other than that, it is a very easy to earn airdrop. Following up, we got the Dragon Airdrop Checker. It is now live on the Cosmos ecosystem, and this is a $1 airdrop for most people at the moment, but the price may change when tradings begin. The eligibility, you needed to have at least either 50, 200, or 1,000 atoms stacked. As we see over here, there were 3 different categories. We got a 2x multiplier for Delegator, for the Crypto Dungeon Validator, OG NFT holders, going back to this one, to this NFT over here on the Acros protocol. Very important that you go and do it. NFTs are getting one of those criteria for the airdrop, so you will see it more and more. We got the snapshot taken, and now you will be able to go and see your allocation. Following up, we got an update over on Sanctum. Now, Sanctum is this one, in case you forgot what Sanctum is. It is on the Solana ecosystem, and we did have a few points over here for the Season 1 stats, which is still there. I got my cupcakes, I got everything that there is to be done over here. Now, we got a new updates over here. We got a front-end engineer, we got a back-end engineer. There's some position opening, so they are working toward the Samsung Phase 2, but they need to scale our engineering and design capacity. So the Season 2 will come. The Season 1 airdrop was a little bit of a letdown. It was mostly given to whales and people who just staked like hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of this airdrop, or of the Solana ecosystem, the Solana token, etc. But make sure to not miss the next one. NX Finance is the big one, guys, as well as the Jupiter Season 2. So all links down below. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.